Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain to you how you can make the navigation menu bar at the top of your site on Google Sites transparent. So let us get started. So guys, the navigation bar is, for example, for that website template here, the bar you see at the very top with, for example, the navigation menu here between your pages, and also your website name here in the top left. Of course, that navigation bar may look slightly different if you select another website template from Google Sites, or if you create a completely new website project and customize it. But let's go with that example here. The settings for making that navigation menu transparent is located here in the top left corner. Hover your mouse over the navigation settings, click into it. And here guys, in the settings, select navigation, and here next to color, clicking into the drop down menu and select transparent. And there you go. Now the navigation bar here is transparent and we see the background image blending through it. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.